Hi, in this video we're going to see how we can use graphs to solve simultaneous equations. Now what do we mean by simultaneous equations? Well, usually when we solve an equation it only involves one variable. So for example, if I had 2x plus 1 is equal to 5, then I've just got a single equation in terms of one variable, and to solve it means to find the value of x. So if we were to solve this equation, we would get x is equal to 2 would be the solution. But with these equations here, you can see that we have two equations and we've got two variables, x and y. These are called simultaneous equations because we're trying to find the value of x and y at the same time, simultaneously. Now we can actually use graphs of these two equations, so y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 3 over 2x plus 2, to solve these equations. Because we've got a graph here of y equals 2x plus 1, the blue one. And we've also got a graph of y equals 3 over 2x plus 2, the green one. Now remember what it means to have a graph representing an equation. This graph consists of all points, x, y, that satisfies the equation y equals 3 over 2x plus 2. And this blue graph consists of all points which satisfies the equation y equals 2x plus 1. And that means where these two graphs cross, where they intersect, which you can see is this point here, at that point, this point is on both the blue graph and both the green graph, and therefore it must satisfy both equations. And that's what we're trying to do with simultaneous equations. We're trying to find value of x and y that satisfies both these equations. So what we could do is we could just read off this point of intersection. What is this point? It's 2, 5. And this is the x value and this is the y value. And that must be the answers. The x value is 2, that solves these simultaneous equations, and the y value is 5. If we check that by substituting them into the equation, if we do it the first equation, y, which is 5, is equal to 2x plus 1, 2 times x, 2, plus 1, and 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5, so we get 5 equals 5, which is true. That's great. And what about the second equation? If we substitute the x as 2 and y as 5, we get y, which is 5, is equal to 3 over 2x, so 3 over 2 times by the x value of 2, plus 2. Now, 3 over 2 times 2 is just 3, we get 3 plus 2, and 3 plus 2 is indeed equal to 5, so that works again. So indeed, x is 2 and y equals 5 are solutions to these simultaneous equations.